In this video, we're upgrading our enemy spawner with a wave system. Right now, enemies spawn at a fixed rate forever. But in Survivor's Dio-style games, difficulty increases over time. Waves become harder, enemies spawn faster, and new types appear at higher waves. So today we'll make a clean, scalable wave system that controls enemy spawn speed, enemy types per wave, and progression over time. Here I'm adding a simple wave system inside the GameManager. Every 20 seconds, we increase the current wave value. This allows us to scale difficulty, enemy spawn speed, and enemy types based on the active wave. Inside the spawner, I adjust the spawn interval based on the wave number. Each new wave reduces the time between spawns, making enemies appear more frequently. This creates natural difficulty scaling. The longer you survive, the harder the game becomes. Let's test our wave system. I'll press play. The game starts at wave 1 with slow spawns. After 20 seconds, we reach wave 2 and enemies spawn faster. At wave 3, new enemy types start appearing. The longer we survive, the more enemy density increases. This already feels much closer to Survivors.io, and every part of this system is fully scalable for future features like bosses, elite enemies, and special events.